So this is Milanote, and this is what I used to create my mood boards. So I liked this layout first. I started to use this one first, but I just thought it was a bit vague, so I just decided to design my own. Um, so basically, just some flyers and posters and leaflets that I seen on Google or that I picked up myself at Tag Rugby events. So for the likes of the Blitz Tag Rugby, just use that in some of the images. The ITRA Tag Rugby, wanted to include that because they were big support to the event. And then I just got some images from the ITRA Tag Rugby. So we asked for permission for those and they allowed us to use them. So then this is the colour scheme palette that we wanted to go with. So it was to coordinate with the TU Dublin logo. So we kind of used the midnight blue, blue grey, dark blue and baby blue, and there was a duck egg blue as well. So then just a quick example of some of the posters. So just mock-up posters that include the QR Instagram code as well. So they're all just on PDF forms. So there's just a few of them. So again, they just explain basically what the event is, fundraising for St. Francis, time, date, and where it took place. So then here was the logo that we used. I actually created a few logos, but I just added this one to the mood board because it was the one Aaron was happy with. So I created this on Photoshop. So Photoshop is great for creating logos and stuff because you can literally do it from scratch, and I did my own design, so I was really happy with that. And again, going with the TU Dublin logo colours.